Where It All Began, a 1970s shop class and the seeds of craftsmanship. My name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. In this video, we will discuss the following topic: where it all began, a 1970s shop class and the seeds of craftsmanship. Before the big projects, before the backyard transformations, and before Conley's Home Improvement became what it is today, there was a simple shop class in the 1970s. A place filled with the smell of fresh cut wood, the hum of saws, and the quiet focus of learning something real with your hands. That's where I learned one of the most important lessons that still guides me today. It wasn't about having the best tools. It was about patience, discipline, and respect for the craft. In this video, I'm taking you back to where it all started, sharing how those early experiences laid the foundation for over 40 years of DIY home improvement, life lessons, and building not just projects, but a legacy. Let's get into it. As I reflect on my 40 plus years of DIY home improvement, I realized that it all started in a 1970s shop class. This was where I was first introduced to the world of craftsmanship and tool handling, laying the groundwork for a lifetime of projects and learning. The shop class was more than just a required course. It was an immersive experience that taught me the basics of working with wood and other materials. I learned the importance of measuring accurately and the value of patience in crafting something with one's own hands. These lessons were not just about DIY, they were about developing a mindset that values precision and quality. Under the guidance of experienced instructors, I began to understand the fundamentals of tool safety and project planning. These early lessons have had a lasting impact on my approach to DIY home improvement projects. They instilled in me a respect for the craft and a confidence that has grown over the years. The experience in that 1970s shop class was foundational, shaping not just my skills but also my attitude towards DIY projects. It taught me that with the right guidance and a willingness to learn, anyone can develop the skills needed for DIY home improvement. As we wrap up, it's clear that my DIY home improvement journey didn't start with big projects or expensive tools. It started in a 1970s shop class. That simple classroom became the foundation for everything that followed, teaching me patience, discipline, and the value of doing things the right way. From those early days of learning how to measure twice and cut once, I developed a mindset that carried me through decades of building, creating, and improving, not just homes, but skills, confidence, and legacy. Every project I've taken on since then traces back to those first lessons where mistakes became teachers and small wins built lasting knowledge. And that's the real message here. Your journey doesn't have to start big. It just has to start. So whether you're picking up a tool for the first time or getting back into the game, remember, great craftsmanship is built one project at a time. If this story inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Conley's Home Improvement for more real DIY experiences, tips, and transformations. And as always, keep building, keep learning, and keep creating your legacy. I'll see you in the next video. Conley's Home Improvement, making your home look good one project at a time. Where It All Began, a 1970s shop class and the seeds of craftsmanship.